So my name is Siddarth, and currently I'm working as a senior merchandiser in an export house. Like I was not able to concentrate in my work, and after like working too hard, giving extra time also, I was not able to cope up with the job I was working with. Like the psychometric assessment really helped me to understand why the current job is profile is not fitting for me and how I can do better if I choose a right path that is more suitable for me. So currently, the job profile I'm working with, I have to manage many people. After psychoanalysis, I came to know that I'm a hands-on person. That now I came to know why I was struggling. So most of the discussions that I have with my career counselor, that really helped me. We figured out the correct path to move, and we figure out what should we I do if I want to switch careers. Help me think about myself, what are my positive points, what are my negative points, and we ended up choosing a right career path for me. So the people who are really struggling with their career goals, if they are not able to meet in their career goals, and if they are not satisfied with their job profile, because in India we tend to opt for a career that our parents ask us to choose, but and we end up frustrating because we are not in the correct path. So career counseling is very good, and Set My Career has helped me found the right career path. Hopefully, I could like follow it